Hi guys! So today I will be filming a day in the life of a stock market trader. Just a quick disclaimer though, I do have two jobs, stock market trader in the morning and sales representative at night. But for weeks, I was not working at night because of my internet and I also had to wait for the laptop. But today, I finally will be receiving my work laptop, which means I have to be awake for 24 hours as this is a transition phase from the day shift to the night shift. This is going to be very, very interesting. I hope you enjoy watching. So this clip is at 6 in the morning. I always start my day with a devotion. After that, this is what I call my goal digger time, where I get to review my goals and my progress. In case you're wondering, the planner that I'm using is from Migos. And this quote on my wall is from Migos as well. This has been motivating me lately. And then right after, I listen to worship songs. Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning, good morning. So, kakagising ko lang and please excuse my face and what I look like kasi nakapajama pa ako. As I've mentioned earlier or after ba ng video na to, nag-check ako ng stocks kasi if you guys did not know, I am a trader. Gutom lang ako so kakain lang tayo and then maliligo and then we'll talk about my other job which is the sales rep at night later. Ayan, so yung coffee ko pala, in case you're wondering, combination yan ng Coffee Co 78 and yung white mocha ng, anong pangalan nito? Ng House Blend. Ayan, kung magpa-focus siya. Pero House Blend yan. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, House Blend. And then, ito yung kakainin ko ngayon. So, we have mini loaf from Fua. Fua, tama ba yung pronounce ko? Nutella. And then, yung panggagamitan ko. Actually, hindi talaga kami laging nag-order ng, or bumibili ng Nutella. Kasi nauubos ko talaga to ng, less than a week. Grabe. Pero kasi, nagkikrave ako. So, inad ko siya sa grocery list nung nakaraan. Tapos, ito siya. Favorite ko talaga to. Ayan. Fuwa-fuwa. Pati yung custard bread nila. Super, super like ko. Hi guys, open na yung market and so, ito, na-lift na yung suspension ni dito. Kaya grabe, tingnan nyo. Sobrang taas ng volume. Nakakaloka. Tingnan muna natin kasi alam nyo naman yung call. Alam nyo naman tong call, diba? Nagahang siya kapag ganyan. But I notice, and please don't quote me on this, kapag mataas yung volume ng isang stock, pero pag wala kang stock nun, hindi siya mabagal sa call. Pero pag may stock ka na ganun, mabagal siya. Yan yung napansin ko. Ooh. 1%. 4% na. Ang nakakatakot lang sa dito, grabe, sobrang bilis ng niya. Price action niya. Taas, baba, taas, baba. Uy, tumaas na ulit. Ayan. Instagram pala yung ginagamit ko in case you're wondering. Tingin muna tayo. Let's see kung ilan na yung ilan na yung na-trade. Ooh, 1,000 na. Grabe, 3 minutes pa lang from the market open. Okay, mabagal na naman po si Cole. And the reason why mabagal siya is because of dito again. Ayan, tinan nyo. We'll check kung ilang trades na yung dito. Grabe, 3,000 trades in a span of 9 minutes. Wow. Pero very risky siya kung ngayon ka pa bibili. Kasi umabot siya ng 9% kanina, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Pero we'll see. I mean, we're all wrong until the market proves you right, diba? Ganyan naman talaga. Pero wow. YouTube upload schedule ko is 10 a.m. So, eto na. 12 minutes left. Mag-a-add na lang ako ng end screen, cards, description, thumbnail, title, done na. We're just waiting for 10 a.m. Publish na yung video. Ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is pupunta sa Instagram and then I'll let you guys know na it's up. Current prices. So, tumaas talaga si dito, which is good. And then, ang taas niya. I'm actually very, very happy kasi long-term ko siya, as what I've mentioned earlier, and currently nasa 30% gain na ako dyan. Thank you, Tapos, AXLM, medyo mabagal siya, pero, may kasama yung support ko. APVI din. And then, RCI. Ayan, nasa siya. Yung RCI, negative 1.60. So, hopefully, bumawi yan bukas. Pero what I'm really happy about is, tingnan nyo yung PSEI. Nasa 7,000 level na pala talaga siya, no? Parang, I remember, sobrang naging frustrated yung mga trader. Kasi, for the longest time, take a look. For the longest time, around 5,000 lang siya. Nag-go over siya between 5 to 6,000. And then finally, tada! Nasa 7,000 levels na talaga siya. Ay, finally. I remember kung gaano nagpanic yung mga tao dito. This was exactly March 24. This is the lowest, 4,000 levels. Grabe. Sobrang worth waiting. So, kung kayo ay nakabili din sa 4,000 levels ng mga stocks, congratulations! Recovering na po tayo. I'm very, very happy for everyone. Kasi I know there's a lot of long-term investors here. So, yun lang. Congratulations! Hi guys! So, ito na. Pinadala na ng employer ko yung laptop. Yay! Finally! So, let's do an unboxing. Wait lang. Malapit ko kayo. Hindi na ako magpapakita ha, kasi kakaligo ko lang. Tumabasa pa yung hair ko. Ayan. Tsan! It's a Dell laptop. Dell din yung dati ko. Tapos, ito is bago. Actually, bago din yung dati. Bagong stock. Ayan. Ito siya. Then, tapos ko. Bagong-bago kasi may tag pa. Oh, grabe. Guys, ayan na. Looks like mag-night shift na ako. Moving forward. Headset, mouse, and then battery. Again, I'm gonna use a wireless mouse kasi I really like wireless. Currently, it is 1:12 p.m. So, close na yung market. And, ito yung nangyari sa stocks na chinecheck ko, na nasa watchlist ko. So, APVI, 0.16%, AXLM, 0.34%. Sobrang slow ng AXLM recently. Dito, 3.81%, which is good kasi kanina parang bumaba siya ng around 1%. Tapos grabe, 5.15, so that's almost 10% in a day. And then again, I'm so happy. PSEI, 1.33% gain. RCI, hopefully makabawi tayo bukas kasi negative 0.80% siya. Overall, I'm very happy sa market. Let's check the highest. We have SGP, MG, BMM, PHA, KEP. Pero, hindi ko natin siya na-check or hindi ko lagi ina-add yung mga trades na maliit lang. Like, less than 100. Kapag nagtitrade ako kasi, meaning mahirap tayong makapag-in tsaka makapag-out dyan. Pero grabe, MM is a part of top 10. Yay! Good job, MM. Good job. Great job. Mobile Legends tayo. Wala pala akong sound nito. Ewan ko ano nangyari, pero nawala ng sound. O nga, no, paano nyo pala malalaman? Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung victory ako, yun na lang. Tapos magta-timelapse na lang. If you guys are wondering, ano na ako? Grandmaster 4. Tapos yung level ko is 22. Ayan. I'm not sure if uploaded na. Yung isa kong ginagamit is si KB Kimchi. Nawala ko yung login na yun dahil nga na-delete ko yung Mobile Legends app ko. Mag-classic lang tayo. Chill-chill lang. Ang favorite ko na ginagamit is si Louie. Ayan, mag-start na yung game. Yan ako na yan. Time-lapse ko na lang, ha? Actually, mahirap mag-Mobile Legends sa kuko ko. Pero sana yan na lang. Sana yan. So, gustong-gusto kong gamitin si Louie dahil nga made siya. Pang malayuan. Yung kung lumalapit sa kalaban, nabibisit ako. Aga-aga nito. Oops. Tayo, lakbo. Masakit to si Badang eh. Tungtaw si Zilong, kala mo na. Yung marksman yung mga favorite ko kasi mabilis lang patayin. Yan. Tiyan. Tiyan yung bugong yun. Victory! Yes, bitch. Ayan, medyo nilayo ko kayo para makita niyo yung buong space. And sorry pala, kusot yung yung damit ko. Akitong bahay lang talaga to. And natagalan akong mag-film ng intro nito dahil nga dito.
What else did you do today?
Wow, these two roll.
Hello, is this the Johnson? I'll help.
To explain his disappearance.
Ayan. I'm so happy. Ayan, chicken curry. Ay, chicken. Basta chicken na chicken. Pork curry. Tonkatsu ramen. Ay, sorry.
This? I'm Susie, Jerry's little sister. Well, it is such a pleasure to meet you on the... You called her Jeremy, didn't you?
Jeremy? Oh, no.
He didn't say you were...
Hi guys, it is currently 12 in the morning and nag-start yung shift ko kanina at around 9 p.m. Although, hindi pa din ako technically nag-work kasi may training pa, refresher, ganyan. So, I'm just waiting for the response ng manager ko. Miss ko yung night shift, pero kasi nasanay na ako sa morning. Although, if i-ask mo ko, mas prefer ko talaga yung night shift kasi mas gising talaga ako sa night compared sa morning. So, ayun. Ayun lang, I just wanted to share. And then, ano pa ba? Yun lang. As for my schedule, yes, I'm still going to trade in the morning and then I'll work at night. And also, nag-cut pala ako ng nails in case you're wondering, biglang ganito yung nails ko. It's already 4 in the morning. I'm just gonna take a quick break because I've been reading a lot of emails. I've been catching up kanina pa. Too much information. So, magbe-break muna. Kakain muna ako ng food. Also, excuse my face again. I'm so sleepy. But this is what I do kapag transition day or transition period. Hindi talaga ako natutulog para pag natulog na ako, well-rested ako. Mas mahirap kasi yung putol-putol, diba? Ayun lang. Natela ulit. Pampagising. Kanina pa ako nagkakape. Pawas-pawasan natin. So, after my shift, magbaback test and pre-screen ako. Actually, inisa-isa ko siya from A to Z talaga para sure. Tsaka, okay na din yan para later, ready na. Kasi this was, I think, around 6 a.m. and the market will open after 3 hours. Ayun, pang-ready na kahit walang tulog. So, after I backtest and pre-screen stocks, ang ginagawa ko is nag-e-edit ako. I'm doing a quick edit actually sa pinapanood nyo ngayon para mabilisan na lang yung transition and design. Kinakaya pa naman kahit antok na. Hi guys! So, excuse my face. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. End of shift ko na din. I'm done editing the core parts of the video, and then I'm also done in backtesting and pre-screening for the stocks later. Sabi, sobrang pagod ako. Kata naman sa eyebags ko na it's really hard. Like, the first day is really hard kasi it's the transition day. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want more of the Trader Diaries, then just let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe as well. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Love you. And good night.